Students, please open your Sanskrit book, chapter number 13. Last day we have taught about Pratham Purush, Bhutkal Pratham Purush. Am I right? So today we are going to learn Bhutkal, Madhyam Purush এবং Uttam Purush. Okay? Bhutkal means long lakar only. So what are the rules? To, tam, on, oh, tam, to, abo, amo. To, tam, on, Pratham Purush. অত্যন্ত মধ্যম পুরুষ and আব আম উত্তম পুরুষ. Now let's see Matulasya Gramah, that means maternal uncle's village. Okay, now see Gyanasah Prabhakar Tvam Gismabakase Kutra Gacha. This is conversation. Okay, so Gyanas is asking Prabhakar Tvam Gismabakase Kutra Agacha. That means Prabhakar, where did you go on summer vacation? Okay, now next Prabhakar. So Prabhakar now giving the answer. Aham mama ambaya onujena cha saha matulasya gramam agacha. We went to maternal uncle's village with my mother's younger brother. মানে মায়ের ছোট ভাই, আমরা বাংলায় কি বলি, ছোট মামা. So I went to maternal uncle's village with my mother's younger brother. Ganesh. Tatra yoyang king akuruta. What did you do there? Now Prabhakar is giving answer. Tasmin grame boyong narikelasya jalam opibamo amrani okhadamo tadage osnamo shobhanasho batikasho abramamo. That means in that village we drank coconut water, ate lots of mangoes, bathed in the pond, we traveled to the beautiful garden. Now Ganesh. Tatra yuyang nobinang kimopi apashyata. What's new there? Now Prabhakar. Aham purvang সমুদ্রং ন পশ্যাম মাতুলস্য গ্রামাৎ কিঞ্চিৎ দূরং বয়ম অগচ্ছাম. I have never seen the sea before. We went to little far from uncle's village. তত্র সমুদ্রং অপি অপশ্যাম. There we saw the sea also. अहो ज्ञानेश समुद्र कीदृशः विशालः अस्ति. Hi Ganesh, what a huge sea. Expression should be like this. Okay, now next Ganeshah किं समुद्रस्य जले तं स्नानमपि अकरः. Have you bathed in sea water? Now Prabhakara. नहीं समुद्रः अतीव भयंकरः अस्ति. नहीं means no, the water of that sea is very terrible. Okay, that means भयंकर. Terrible means भयंकर. बयं समुद्रस्य जलं केवलम् अस्पृशाम. That means only we have touched the sea water. तत्र प्रातः रमणीयं सूर्योदयम् अपि अपश्याम. I saw a great sunshine there in the morning. समुद्रस्य तटे वयम् अक्रीडाम अधावाम च. We played and ran on the beach. মানে সমুদ্রের তট. মমপি সমুদ্র দর্শনায় ইচ্ছা ভবতি. Who told? Ganesh. Say Ganesh. I also have a great desire to see the sea. Prabhakara. अन्नस्मिन् अवकाशे त्वमपि अस्माभिः सह चलो. You go with us on another holiday. Okay. Now see, you have to memorize the meaning. Page number 50. Okay, then only you can understand the proper meaning of this chapter. Now come to these rules. You know that to tamon prothom purush rules. Now modhom purush rules. O tom to uttom purush rules. Om abo amo. Okay, now according to rules you can see this one. Oh tom to, so bodh dhatu, you know that. See, bodh dhatu means talking. With bodh dhatu we have to add before o because it is otit kal. So o, abodho, then oh, abodho plus oh, abodho. See, abodho. Then abodho plus otom, abodhotom. See, abodho plus oto, abodhoto. Understand? Next, abodho plus om, abodham. Abodho plus abo, abodabo. Abodho plus amo, abodamo. Like this all are coming. Okay. O is a little different. O plus o, a, you know that. Asi, astom, asto. Asom, asbo, asmo. Little different. Now go to next page. Pa dhatu start from pib. Opibo, opibotam, opiboto. Opibom, opibabo, opimabo. Gom dhatu starting from gaccha. Agaccha, agacchatam, agacchato. Agaccham, agacchabo, agacchamo. Drish dhatu starting from pasya. Apasya, apashyatam, apashyata. Means looking or watching. Apashyam, apashyabo, apashyamo. Stha dhatu starting from tishtha, mane thaka, staying. So atishtha, atishtatam, atishthata, atishtham, atisthavo, atisthamo. Ni dhatu starting from naya, means taking. Anaya, anayatam, anayato, anayam, anayabo, anayamo. Nrit dhatu starting from nritya, nritya, anrityaha, anrityatam, anrityata, anrityam, anrityavo, anrityamo. Kri dhatu very special like os dhatu. Always it will fully different. Akara, akurutam, akuruta, akarabam, akurva, akurma. Okay, like this you have to memorize. Now see, change the tense of the verb. Before doing this, please write this side lot locker and long locker rules. What are the lot locker rules? Lot locker means present tense. So what are the lot locker rules? Ti taha anti, si taha tha, ami abaha amaha. From many years you are learning this. So please don't do mistake, okay? Ti taha anti, si taha tha, ami abaha amaha. And now long locker. This is new for you. Long locker means past tense. This is present tense and it is past tense. What are the rules? To tam on. Please write. Here only write in your book only. You can. Now you are class 7, so you can do. To tam on. Oh tom to. Om abo amo. To tam on. Oh tom to. Om abo amo. Ti taha anti. Si taha tha. Ami abaha amo. Now see, instead of these rules you have to write this one, and instead of these rules you have to maintain these rules, and definitely with the dhatu you have to add. So let's see, with as dhatu first only. So asi, that means this one. Now you have to write definitely this one. So asihi. See, as dhatu where I saw ha, asihi. Okay. Now see, pibami, that means this one. So apibam, kurmaha. Okay. So that means this one. So it should be this one. Akurma. See, this one. If you memorize, then only you can understand. Okay. Otherwise not. Now see next one. Agacchaha, agacchaha, that means this one. So middle one. So this one should be gachasi. Now atishtham, atishtham, atishtham. So atisthamo, that means amo rules. Atisthamo. So amoho, tisthamaho, you have to cut because it is present tense, not অতীত কাল. So no অ. No অতীত কাল, no অ. অতীত কাল অ. No অতীত কাল, no অ. So তিষ্ঠামহ, আমহ rules. Now ahashan, that means on rules. So it should be anti. Hashanti. Okay. So this much only your today's CW work. Okay.